Um, good morning, Vijay Lakshmi. Your interview is on 6th or 7th November, na? Or 6th
Yes,
November.
sir. The
Yeah,
6th.
in Delhi, in New Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please tell us about yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity. Myself, Lakshmi. I recently completed my Master's of Commerce in CGC, in Master's of Commerce from CGC Jhanjeri, Punjab. Before that, I was in the profession of the teaching. So I'm having 2+ years of experience in the teaching profession. I was the private tutor, and apart from this, I'm having the professional experience in the dancing zone. So I was the private tutor of the dancing zone as well because it's my passion, I can say. And before that, I went to the Delhi University, Vivekananda College. I completed my BCom honors from there, and I'm born and brought up in Delhi. I'm having great experience. I recently completed as a project manager experience in the Foropo. So it was a great experience. From there, I learned a lot of skills like leadership, management, and I learned the organized skills also. Uh, yes, sir. Thank you.
You said you had experience in project manager. Which department or organization is that? Tell the full form.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
use abbreviations.
Okay, sir. I was the project manager intern in the Foropo, from where I was leading the
What is the expand?
members.
DFRPO means what is the DFRPO? Department or what it is? Name
So
itself
the
is
name of the company is the
differ.
Foropo. It's a Bangalore-based company,
What is the name?
and
D.
Foropo, Forruppo.
Oh, name itself is
Yes, sir.
a German name or French name.
So,
Dif- which company is the company headquarters is where?
it's
Hello.
actually, yes, sir. It is an autonomous startup ecosystem, uh, which actually based on in India, and so
The
it is
company
a
has got
platform.
some website. Its website is there.
Yes, sir. They have their own website,
Why
and
don't you send the URL that is in the WhatsApp? You send me that URL roughly URL. Whatever is the name, the you just access that and send that link.
sure, sir. I googled it. Let me send it to you.
Mm.
Sir,
Say,
I've shared you.
yeah, mm, yeah, it has
Yes,
come. Oh, new name is very funny. 404,
yes,
making
sir.
the impossible happen, celebrating entrepreneurship.
Sir,
Three
actually, it is a
startups.
platform where
Oh,
startups are being generated. So,
acha.
yeah.
404 is an autonomous startup ecosystem and quasi-stealth collaborative workspace where young and insanely passionate entrepreneurs co-create and co-own world-changing startups. Marvelous startups created by entrepreneurs of Arapo, Ukisho, Shifro, Startup Party, something like that. The owners are saying, are they engineers or what?
So,
Hello,
when
we
I
don't know.
was, yes, sir. No,
You
sir,
how
I
many?
don't
How
know.
long you were there in this place?
So, I was there for 6 months. It was a great experience. I was the team leader, oh, and I was the management intern over there. So they
How
extended
many
my.
team leader means how many people were under you?
So I was leading the team member of a team of 10 people where I
What were
was
they
team
doing?
manager.
What those 10 people were doing and what you were doing?
So it was an project like on a time period, limited time period. They used to offer to us, so we have to deliver to them on time. So this was me and my teamwork. And apart from this, I was also in the HR department. I was also taking the interviews for hiring the candidates. So this was the
Oh.
help by myself as an intern.
The
So
company is in, you were working from home or you were working in the
yes,
company?
sir, I did work from home.
Acha. Where is the company situated actually?
So it is in
Headquarters,
Bangalore. Yes, sir, it's
Bangalore. Acha,
Bangalore.
acha.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. What was the compensation they were giving you?
So compensation was giving only 2,000.
Only 2000.
Yes, sir, for the entire because when the company started, now they have evolved. Now they are actually giving a good amount of internship amount, apprenticeship
Com-
to this.
Apprenticeship. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now they are paying better amount. Better amount.
Yes, sir.
2000 is
Yes,
nothing.
sir.
Should you tell about this? What is the advantage of telling about this?
Sorry, sir.
Why should you tell about this? Because you are not gained anything concrete here, except
So
you say
actually,
only
it,
practical experience. Okay, that too you have been working up from home only. So it is not a very concrete experience in my view, unless you have achieved something great.
so this
Uh,
was in this in this internship I achieved actually I don't I'll share with you. The thing was I achieved two major projects. I completed two major projects within 10 days deadline was there, but I completed with my team as a team leader before 10 days. I completed within 8 days and the projects were really great. So I delivered them to the company before the deadline. So this was a great opportunity for
what is
me
the what
that
is the what is the name of that those two companies you sponsored or you collect canvas?
that was the US based company. One was the of Forenpo
Hmm. Hmm.
and another was I handle over to the Foropo. I was not connected with the directly with the
No, no.
company.
I honestly, I believe you should not talk about this because you are not loaded with information on any one of these points.
Okay, sir. I'll not talk about this.
It's because
Actually,
you
sir,
don't know the
in
name.
this,
You do not know the name of the directors, and you have not been paid. Minimum salary is 25,000 per month. Even that you have not been paid, and it's a unpaid apprenticeship like that you have worked. And I'm not sure whether you have really achieved something concrete in that, except that how long you were working every day.
so I used to work only for like 4.5 hours a day.
Yeah, yeah, that is right. I don't know. I leave it to you. My honest opinion is you because you have completed a MCom only recently. You have not completed 4 5 years ago. So there is no problem in your telling you have completed MCom. You are appearing for bank exams, and your desire is to get into very federal bank. That will do.
Okay,
Understand?
sir.
Yeah.
So
Please tell
should I
me about your.
mention?
No, no, you will have to say, my name is so and so. I come from this place. I studied my MCom from this college, scored this much percentage. I completed this year. And I did my BCom from this college and I scored this much percentage. I did my plus two from this school and I scored percentage of this much. My project work, if you have any other project work you have done in MCom, you can mention that. Otherwise, You can tell about your achievements in school or college, say from 12th, whatever first rank you have had or awards you have received, you can mention that. And if nothing is not there, don't worry. Then go and tell them about your strengths. I am a quick learner. I am a hardworking person. I enjoy shouldering higher responsibilities. I am good in planning and time. So I'm good in time management. I possess leadership style. I also possess, say, good problem solving skills. Like that, you can tell about this. If they want to cross you, they will ask you, tell us an incident when you have been a leader. Tell us an experience where you have solved a problem. Like that, they will
Oh,
ask, and you must be able to substantiate it with the examples.
sure, sir. So
Vijaya
in that
Lakshmi.
case,
Yeah, tell me.
yes, in that case, can I share my experience as in for a book? Should I?
I don't know. Okay, if you want, you tell that. No, I have no. But they will ask, what have you achieved there? We want the results. We want numbers. We want figures. We want names.
Okay.
We can't be talking in air over things.
So
Do you
actually, from there, I what I can say, from there, what I did, as in I entered as an intern, as in like the normal intern over there for a as the normal intern. And when I went back, within 10 days, they promoted me as an project manager intern. So I used to handle as a 10. They given me firstly the 8 people of team. Then they offered me as an 10 members. Then after 6 months, they offered me as after 2 months, they offered me as a more higher position. But I didn't attend for just because of they were paying it for unpaid. So I neglected their offer. This
then
was
why
the thing.
why did you work for 6 months unnecessarily?
Okay, so
Did not
in
your
that way,
parents condemn you for this? Why are you working here? No, no. All this appears as if you are telling a lie to cover your 6 months period. This is what a girl did from Haryana in Punjab National Bank. He told that she was conducting a startup with for chocolate manufacturing, and I invested 20,000 rupees. And because of COVID, I could not continue thereafter, and I had to close it. Something like that. She was speaking. She was not selected.
okay, sir, we'll take care of this.
Yeah, no, no. At the outset, based on what you have been explaining, I am tempted to think or decide it is a it is not a fact, or you are trying to tell about some experience you had which is not worth mentioning. This is my estimation. I may be wrong. Doesn't matter. Now, please tell us about your family.
Okay, so I consist of 5 members in my family, including me. I'm having my younger brother who is preparing for the NEET, who is preparing for NEET, and my father is a business person, and my mother is a housemaker. I'm having my grandparents also who live with me.
Now, what is the business your father is doing?
So my father is into various business models. Uh, he's having the builder and the filling station also, and he is having one factory model also.
Then they will question, why should you not work in that company instead of working in another company?
So as a girl, it's a very much important to work as an independent. So I personally prefer to be as an independent. Before this, I was into the helping hand of
No,
my father's business.
if you had worked with your father, at least you could have had hands-on experience, practical work experience. Doesn't matter. I'm not going into those areas. I'm stopping there. Now, let
Sure.
me ask you, what do you know about banking?
So, banking is the process where we where they uh, where they accept the deposits and lend the money to the customers according to their requirements. And the banking can be used by the analyzing and the requesting of the interpret of it helps in the business decisions with the problems and the logistic scenario, and it offers the lot of services like the home loan, a bank loan, BOB loan, property loan, agriculture loan, gold loan, commercial vehicle loan. And apart from this, they also provide the ATM facility, debit card facility, and some banks also offers the merchant banking and the mm, what to say? Sorry, I forgot.
Actually, actually, you are an Mcom student. For the definition of banking, you should have stopped by telling banking is accepting deposits and making advances. Finished. Now, whatever you are speaking after that, you are only elaborating that. The you see deposits means you are telling about loans, gold loan, this loan, that loan. There is no need. For the basic question, this will do. You must have also told banks also do other ancillary services like bank assurance services, canvassing of insurance policies, and canvassing for mutual fund products, and wealth management advisory services. Okay, this will do. Then
Sure,
they will ask you what is the source of income for the bank.
got it, sir.
Tell me, what is the source of income for the bank?
So the source of income for the bank is lending loans and providing services and like merchant banking, ATM service, and locker service, etc.
Hmm. Your answer is not complete. Even non-commerce people will tell correct answer. Banks earn interest. I think you have not prepared well. When did you join my group?
So I joined you on time, but the thing was I joined you on the 26th, 27th of the October. But actually, yeah, the issue was I was having the marriage of my sister. So
Acha,
I
Are,
just
are,
completed.
are you, oh, Chacha, you are the girl who joined one day night time, and I told you,
Yes,
please come on
yes, sir.
this, and you
Yes,
could not come
yes,
also. Acha.
yes, sir. So I was yesterday,
Mhm.
I just completed all. Yesterday was her vidai. So I just slept at 1 a.m. and I studied just the all the questions of yours in the bank, like in the folder which it was given, and I've
Yeah, yeah.
not prepared anything. Seriously, sir. It's like I've
And
prepared, but I don't know anything.
see, I can see it from the way you are answering itself. The and you have been, did you watch some of the videos where candidates have answered questions?
No, sir. I've not done anything.
Then what is the fun of my anyhow? I have talked to you for 20 minutes now. Um, I asked you about sources of income. Sources of income, number one, interest on loans. Number two, service charges on bank insurance services, mutual fund products canvassing, and wealth management advisory services commission. Plus, banks also get interest on the securities, government securities it has bought, and bank also gets the dividend on the shares it has invested. So these are the sources of income for the bank. Now,
Okay, sir.
please tell me what is KYC? Explain about KYC.
So KYC is the term which knows it depicts the know your customer, where bank do the KYC before making the account of the customer. After completion the process of the customer, they do the KYC to check the authenticity of the customer, that whether the customer has given the details is right or wrong.
Hmm. KYC means know your customer. This is done as per the RBI directives and in order to ensure the identity of the person and bona fide of the person concerned. Then the documents asked for are passport, then Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee card, then the voter ID. And this is done to prevent money laundering and to avoid, say, Binami transactions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Which bank are you having an account?
So I'm having an account in SBI, sir.
Who is the chairman of SBI?
Mhm.
You
So
don't know. Sino
Srinivasulu Shetty.
Shetty. Srinivasalu Shetty. Correct. Good. That's correct. Very nice. Now, tell us about your native place. What is your native place?
So it's Delhi.
Delhi only. Delhi. Which part of Delhi are you living?
So I'm from uh, Rohini, I shared with you.
Rogini. I have heard only. Never have I visited. I was in Delhi for 3 years. I know only old Rajendra Nagar, that Karol Bagh area. I
Okay, okay,
used to go
sir.
to house cast. I used to go to house cast where I
Okay,
was
sir.
working in
Hotcut.
a branch.
Hotcut.
Yeah, yeah.
So that
Ro-
is the another corner
that
from my
yeah,
place.
yeah. Acha. Rogini is in somewhere another place completely different.
So it
Yeah.
comes in the
I know
northwest zone of the
Chhatrapur.
Delhi.
I know Chhatrapur, Qutub Minar, Green Park, then Saket, like that. Few places I know. That's all. Good. Now, why should we give preference to what is your name? Vijay Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Why should we give preference to you?
So,
So, mm, your preparation is not at all adequate, as you know. You have
yes,
not done
sir.
anything concrete. And there is no fun in
Nothing.
talking further on this. I think you are paid only 403, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you want one more, you pay another 205 rupees and then take a date and then come for another interview. Uh, I think I gave you some data, but you have not paid any, only you have paid less only. So you have to pay
Yes, sir.
205 rupees. And
Sure, sir.
after
I'll pay.
that, uh, I have given you fifth date.
Yes, sir.
No, no, not fifth, fourth.
Yes, sir.
Uh, fourth I have given because your interview is on 6th.
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to come on last day because you'll feel bad. If this is going to be a situation you are going to appear for tomorrow, you will certainly feel bad. And
Hmm.
why don't you watch some of my introductory videos I have given, say in the initially on September 14, 15, and all that introduction classes, how to prepare and all that videos are there on that. Please watch them and prepare. Number one, you have to prepare to talk about your native place. That is what is important in native place. Who are the important people? What are the industries there? Then you must be able to talk well about your commerce subject. Your level is now below satisfactory. You have to read a lot. Then you have to prepare on banking awareness totally. You are not prepared. Apart from that, current affairs that which is happening yesterday, which is going to happen tomorrow, they will ask. Then
Okay.
you will have to you will apart from this you have to be ready on static GK. They will ask you name the five chief ministers of various states, name the five vice presidents of India, name the five chief ministers of Uttar Pradesh, five governors of Uttar Pradesh. Like that, they will ask static GK for which also you must answer. This is interview.
Sure, sir.
Your preparation for this is not satisfactory. Please prepare well and then come. If you are not able to take it, tell me, no problem. I will cancel it. It's not a big issue. Understand? And
Sure,
please
sir.
attend the interview on 6th and send the questions they are asking. Your interview will have more or less 25% questions at least based on what I have been asking now and what I may be asking on the second time also. But
Sure, sir.
honestly speaking, I had a very good impression